Hi everybody, so it's week 6 if you can believe that, which means we are going through this very quickly, and I realize this is not the best lighting, but it's a million degrees outside and I wanted to get this video to you as quickly as possible. So here's what's going on this week. We are moving from words to images, which is very exciting, and we are beginning to think about not just length but also scale. So when we worked with words and text, we didn't really talk much about short words, but here we're talking about creating things that are short in length, but also the scale of them will be small. So we're now working with a couple of different things, actually more than a couple of different things, because this week I'm going to ask you to create a visual narrative, and in that you're not only going to have to think about the elements of narrative that we talked about in the beginning of the semester, you're also going to have to think about the frame and composition of that narrative and the length of that narrative. If all of this seems a little confusing to you right now, don't worry, it won't be when you look at the assignment. In that, I have a couple of different things. I have a video that I use in my digital filmmaking class on composition. Then I have a voice thread lecture by me about nano-narratives that you can watch and listen to. Then I've got some historical background on it. So you've got contemporary theory, you've got new theory, and you've got historical theory, all going on together. Then there's an assignment that I ask you to do that's going to put all of them together. In addition to that, you're finishing up your nano-narratives, and I explain in the announcement how to hand those in. So there's a lot going on, but don't worry. If you have any questions, just email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.